Welcome to our members only content access. This video will show you how to access memberships on our pages. To start enjoying our exclusive members only content, simply click on the join button located at the top of the screen. Once you've clicked, you'll be able to explore the various membership tiers we offer, each designed to provide access to different types of content each tier. It's important to note, as a creator, we reserve the right to update the perks and benefits within each tier as we continue to enhance the experience. Membership details. Your selected tier will have a monthly reoccurring payment. However, there's no long-term commitment as our memberships are billed on a month-to-month basis. If you're ever dissatisfied or don't find value in the content, you are free to cancel anytime. Community engagement. As the content creator behind this page, I frequently engage with our members through the Community tab. Here you'll find the latest updates, important announcements, and other content that matters. Make sure to visit this page regularly, especially for updates related to memberships. As a member, you will access members-only posts, unlocking your benefits. Once you've secured your membership, you'll gain access to members-only content tailored to the tier you've chosen. We strive to offer you the best experience and hope you'll thoroughly enjoy what we have to offer. Thank you for considering joining our community. We look forward to sharing exclusive content and updates with you.